Experience the benefits of earthquake shimmies. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Bend your knees slightly. Take a deep breath in. You're going to inhale to come up and exhale to come down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Start to move faster and faster and faster, keeping your heels on the floor. You're bouncing like a basketball, gluing your feet to the floor, feeling grounded through your feet, and bouncing your body up and down, bending your knees ever so slightly, faster and faster, faster and faster. Shaking your arms now too. Shake your arms. Shimmies are a great way to energize your body. Our hormones love vibration. This is a great exercise in the morning to get you to wake up and feel naturally elevated, joyful, and connected to the parts of you that are dynamic, constantly in motion. Shimmy for as long as you can. And when you're done, take a deep breath in. Standing in full awareness of energetic and dynamic you. How do you feel after shaking your whole body? Share with us.